Installing an M.2 drive and M.2 boot adapter. Connect the cables to the M.2 boot adapter and then fasten the captive screw to secure the cables to the M.2 boot adapter. To install the M.2 boot adapter, lower the M.2 backplane into the front air baffle and then slide the M.2 backplane forward until it is seated in place. Fasten the screw that secures the end of the M.2 backplane to the front air baffle. Fasten the screw that secures the middle of the M.2 backplane to the front air baffle. Connect the M.2 boot adapter cables to the system board assembly. To install the M.2 drive into the M.2 boot adapter, align one end of the M.2 drive with the connector. Push the other end of the M.2 drive towards the M.2 boot adapter. Slide the retaining clip forward to secure the M.2 drive to the boot adapter. Reinstall the rear top cover. Reinstall the front top cover.